Hi, and welcome to this introductory AWS hands-on course. I'm Lucas, and I hold all official AWS certifications. I'm very excited to guide you through the essential services and tools that AWS offers, all in an easy-to-follow, practical format designed for beginners. In this course, we'll start with the basics, so how to set up your AWS account, understand the free tier, set budgets, and use tools to help you estimate costs. From there, we will explore core AWS services you will most frequently use, like IAM for managing user access and security, S3 for storing and managing files, EC2 for launching virtual servers, and VPC for networking basics. We will also touch on databases, application hosting, and some of AWS popular tools for building and deploying applications like Amplify and Elastic Beanstalk. Towards the end, we'll look at AWS tools for managing domains with Route 53, caching with CloudFront, and exploring how to use Lambda to run code without managing servers. There are hundreds of AWS services out there, but for now, we'll touch on the most basic ones, so that by the end of this course, you will be comfortable navigating AWS, creating resources, and using the most common services. This course is a perfect starting point, and I'm here to help you learn and feel confident as you step into the world of cloud computing with AWS. So let's get started.